The macro lens reveals the intricate, porous structure of the banana fibers, heavy with moisture as they move through the processing line. The banana sheets are rapidly transported along the wet conveyor system to the pulping vat. The heavy steel rollers compress the wet fibers, forcing out the excess water in a high-pressure spray. Before the material moves to the drying stage, the raw fibers are thoroughly washed, removing impurities while maintaining their coarse, straw-like structure before the drying process. Pristine and sterile, this advanced processing facility utilizes state-of-the-art biotechnology. The continuous washing line ensures the fibers are pristine, utilizing high-pressure water jets. Before the squeezing process begins, the high-pressure nozzles meticulously rinse the fibers, ensuring all residual enzymes are neutralized. In this sterile environment, utilizing advanced pressurized systems, a fine mist of softening oil coats the fibers, enhancing their texture and resilience. The centrifuge spins the refined fibers at immense speed, ensuring complete dryness. For the next stage of processing, the fibers, once coarse, are now refined into this glossy, continuous silk, moving smoothly onto the collection spool. The technician utilizes a specialized ring light and magnification to ensure the fiber meets our rigorous cleanliness standards. The hydraulic press applies immense pressure, compacting the raw fiber into dense, manageable bales for transport. Thousands of spindles spin in unison, an organized rhythm of mechanical precision, processing the newly arrived white fiber. Here in the spinning hole, the thick fiber sliver is automatically coiled into large cylindrical cans. The drawing frame is essential, taking multiple slivers and blending them into a single, uniform strand, ready for the next stage of spinning. A macro view reveals the intricate spiral structure. As the banana fibers are tightly twisted together, an extreme close-up reveals the traveler, a small metal component. Spinning at dizzying speed around the ring, centrifugal force causes the yarn to bow outwards, forming the mesmerizing yarn balloon, before being wound onto the bobbin. This is the heart of the operation, where thousands of spindles spin high-quality banana fiber into yarn. Here the woven fabric is meticulously inspected for any imperfections before moving to the dyeing stage. Here in the spinning hole, the massive rolls of banana fiber fabric are carefully moved from the loom to the cart before the dyeing process begins. The CAD system optimizes the cutting layout. We can rotate and duplicate the intricate kimono pieces digitally before sending them to the industrial cutters. To achieve the perfect square corner, the fabric must be folded precisely like origami. Before the final press, the koshihima, or waist ties, are meticulously sewn to the interior of the garment, a crucial step for ensuring the perfect fit. Here in the workshop, we meticulously sew the shimmering silk lining into the rugged banana fiber shell, ensuring a perfect contrast of textures. The light table is essential for catching flaws in the silk weave that are otherwise invisible. We check every seam against the light. This stress test ensures the thread will hold up under pressure. Each kimono is meticulously folded by hand, ensuring the delicate banana fiber remains pristine during packing. The introduction of banana fiber represents a significant step towards sustainable textile production. Here at the workshop, the finished wooden boxers are carefully stacked onto a clean pallet, ensuring stability and organization under the warehouse lights.
The minimalist design of this kimono belies the intricate craftsmanship. On the left, the raw banana trunk, fibrous and moist. The smooth,